Hi friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about string and numbers in JavaScript. Okay, how we can able to create the string and how we can able to access the values and all we can able to see for the string and number. Okay, and number also how many ways we can able to access in case the number also string format how we can able to access. Those all the things we can able to see in this particular video. Okay, basically what is a string? A string is a type of object type of object and vapor of the string. Okay, and the primitive type, and we can able to create by using the string in a constructor also. String constructor also we can able to create. Okay, simple example how we can able to create the string. Let str equal to new. There is a keyword called new and then string, and here you can able to specify for two double quotation or single quotation, anything is okay. Okay, and inside we can able to create the string. This is called a string creation. Okay, how to find the length of the string means we have the string dot length is there that we can able to get by using that length, how much length it is presented, those we can able to get it. Okay, we'll see in an example also. I'll show the output. Basically here it is not required because we can able to use for let and var keywords and all, but if you know it is helpful in case if you require to go for developer side, then you can able to useful that one. Okay, let str equal to new string, and I'm going to specifying for here JavaScript. Okay, this is my string. Okay, I want to display console.log, and I have to specify for str.length. Length is a concept to give the length of the string. Okay, I'm saving now. Okay, going to here new terminal and specifying new terminal, and here node space slash string tab. Okay, then you can enter. See now 10 is the that particular length of string. Okay, and if you want increase you can able to use. Okay, if you want a string value, you want to some methods like value of to string as to local string. Those are the methods we have in our string concept also. If you want you can able to use the value of and all. Okay, to string here value of. Okay, this is the value of, and you can able to see this is a printing for stdio with the new line. Multiple arguments can be passed with the first used as a primary message of the additional used for substitution of the value similar to the printf. Okay, the console if you want to like a count 5, then you can able to use it. This is the one, then if you make the count, then you can able to print that count. Okay, the format wise it will display. Okay, and also if you use for to string, and if you specify and you can able to see this is a string, completely string format it will give you. Okay, without any issue. And this is same way we have for another called local string. To local string, to local string is the function, another function is there that also it will work as a similar format of to string. Okay, now again we'll run and see. Okay, local string is present. I think it is not presented. To say the something. local string. I hope it is not yeah, presented. E is missed out. That's why it is showing that. Okay, if you mouse or also it will returns the data converted into a string using the current local. Local only it will convert and it will provide the similar format. Okay, the both are like three are the similar format. Two string is exactly it will work. Value of value of also it will convert and it will give you. In case if you want to read a string inside a array format of thing like I have JavaScript. In this JavaScript, I want A, which is third position. If you say array will start with the 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, like this it is presented, right? I want to read the A number. Then how we can able to read it? For this also we can able to use one format. Okay, console dot log, and then we can able to specify inside that there is str square braces. We can able to specify three number. Okay, three number means it will come as a v. Yeah, sorry, yeah, because array index position it will start as 0, right? 0 is j. Okay, a is 1, v is 2, and a is in fourth position, third position. Okay, we specify for third, then it will display for third. Okay, if I want to use the another way of thing, now we are able to use for array index position and we are able to find. Can I able to without using array index? Can I able to get any other format? Yes, we can able to use it. There is a character at that also it will give for single element. Okay, and again you can able to specify three. Again I'm specifying three. Okay, now see two A's are displayed. Both are same. Both are same. String array index how it will give the similar format. Str character at also it will give the same. String at it will give you for exact array format of it will read and it will give you, and character at it will gives you character wise means single character it will read and it will give you. Okay, and can we do for any alternative like I want to display my string become a uppercase. I want to show uppercase letters. Can I able to means yes you can able to do it. How means we can able to specify here two uppercase, two lowercase is the one, two lowercase. Okay, all it will become a lowercase in case if it is there. Okay, I'm going to use for two local uppercase is there, uppercase is there, local uppercase. Both are all are similar format of returning for alphabetic to converting for local environment, uppercase and lower cases. Okay. The similar format we can able to print for lowercase. Okay, and we'll keep it for any character become upper. Okay, now you can see one is uppercase we specified, all are capital letters, and down become small letter. Okay, like this also we can able to do it. If I want to, and apart from this, if I want to add something for concatenation, how we can able to do for concatenation? The string is already presented. For already presented string, I want to add for another name of thing. Okay, to make the fully conversion. Let how we can able to do. Let uh, basic, and I'm going to specify here my string is str dot concatenate is a function, concat function, and here what I can do, right? First, each word becomes space required, right? I'm going to space comma And here I'm going to use for JavaScript basic. Basic is the one I'm going to attaching. Okay. Now I'm going to print that particular basic concept here. Okay. Now basic I'm going to print it because already I have JavaScript, right? But I want to print for this one. Okay. Now you can see JavaScript basic is my value is printed because concatenation it will attach that plus minus symbol. Do I want to use every time concatenate function to add any string value means? No. Even we can able to use for without concatenation function. But without this function also we can able to concatenate. How we can able to concat without that means there is a plus operator. There is a plus operator. Okay. And here we can able to remove and this also we can remove. And here this is my string plus and I'm going to specify single space and again plus. Okay, now this is becoming concatenation. This also concatenate, that also concatenate. Both are the same approach and provide the same result. See, JavaScript basic is presented like this. We can able to do it. And also if you have, we have some another function that is called extracting for substring. Means I have already in a basic what I have JavaScript basic is my value is presented. Okay, JavaScript basic is presented. But I want to read something value. I want to read some starting position capital J2 and T. I don't want to read for space with the basic. I don't want to read. Then how we can able to do? Means we have there is a one more function called sub substring. Okay, substring. That string will help you to do it. How we can able to do it? Console dot log and then we can able to use for basic. Okay, basic dot substring and we can able to specify starting position and ending position. You can able to see substring whenever I specify starting and ending position of number that if you have to define. In case if you are not defined, it will take for complete word. Okay, starting is the mandatory. Okay, now my starting become a 0. Okay, starting become a 0 comma and ending become a 11. Okay, because JavaScript length become a 10. Okay, I want to read the last value also. In case if I specify 10, then it will go for 9. Okay, 0 to 9. Then our T will be missed out. Due to that 0 comma 11. 11 is missed space also. 7 it will exclude and it will print for remaining things. Okay. Now see only JavaScript is printed now. If you want after 11 to remaining all the things also that you can also provide for thing. Okay, that is basically we need to provide the starting and ending of the values. Starting and ending of the values. Okay, this and another function there is an index of another function also presented. Even you can able to specify some index something string argument, then it will provide for what is the index position it is presented for that particular string, that we can able to get it that also. Okay. In case if you have multiple things like a basic concept, now if I specify for basic index of, then we can able to get for another and you can able to see basic dot index of, what is the index of you want, that is a basic, that index position you want. Okay, then if you run See 11th position, our index position is presented. Okay, like this we can able to get the what exactly the index position. If you want last index position, then it will return for minus also. In case if it is the last, then it will provide for minus also. Okay, if you want to remove some white spaces, you want to remove for some white spaces, then how we can able to use. And in this JavaScript there is a method called trim. By using the trim concept, we can able to remove our white spaces. Okay, and previous ECN 6 onwards, we have for trim start and trim end also presented. Okay, and for now I'm going to use for let str1 equal to, and the double quotation, my first demo trim string. Like this I'm going to specify. Okay, now before that what I can do, the end also I'll specify some space, and starting also I'll specify string. Okay, now I'm going to make for console.log, and I'm going to specify str1. Okay. Now we'll see in our terminal. See, if you see here, there is a space is presented here. Okay, there is a space is presented, right? And here also it will presented for some space. How much we specify the space, that space it will be presented end also. Okay, now you can see here. Now I'm going to use for trim starting position, means I want to delete space in a starting position. Okay, starting position. Then how we can able to see, now the space gone. First one is how it is exactly, that is the one. Second, the space is removed. Okay, now if I use for last, I'm not going to use for starting. Just starting it will be, we'll get for some space, we'll get space, but third and the last we will not get for space. Now see, like this we can able to. And without that, in case if I use for directly only for trim, then what will happen? Trim is a method. All the locations white space will be deleted. See, all the spaces it gone, right? Like this we can able to specify. Okay, and even we have changed the cases like lowercase and uppercase we have done, right? And in we have another method called comparing. Two strings we can able to compare. Okay, whether that is equal or not, condition type of things. Okay, for this we have for local compare method functionality. And that how we can able to test it. Okay, let compare purpose, I'm going to use for uh, local string. This is my string. Okay, and now I'm going to use for this, basically it will give for true or false. uh, Comparing to true or false, it will give for 1 and 0 and minus. In case both are equal or not equal, then based upon that it will provide. Okay, now we can able to see console.log, and here you can able to say dot uh, compare, local compare, and you can able to specify the same value. Okay, same value, which is the value it is presented here, same. Okay, now saving here. Now see 0 is presented. Now I'm going to mention for 1. Now you can see -1. Okay, if it is equal then it will provide that. Okay, otherwise it will give for -1. Okay, and also we have another thing called matching pattern. That is called a matching, if you provide some matching expressions, you want something match, whether that particular integer or string value are matching or not. Those cases also we can able to check. This matching is one kind of like a regular expression. It will come and we need to use properly. This particular matching expressions will use very rare case in a real time. Not only real, like that we can able to give very less also, like how we can able to use this matching one. See if I comment it here now. Now here I can able to specify this also, I'll comment. Now I'm going to use for let my expression equal to, and a single quotation I can able to specify for my expression is presented. Okay, 1 plus 2 equal to 3. This is my expression. Okay, I want to extract and I want to display my values. How we can able to use, we have some regular expression matches and all. Okay, and even try some googling and you can able to find it. Okay, that match. Okay, in this match we can able to specify uh, basis and like this, and d and plus slash g. This is the one expression I found from Google. Okay, that's why I'm going to exactly I can able to type and I can able to provide you. Okay, even you can also try with the Google for that matching thing in JavaScript. You can able to get for more and more examples. Okay, for, and here we can able to use the constant. Okay, match of matches. Okay, and here we can able to use for console dot log. As per this expression what we are going to say, right? Please display all the values which is inside is presented plus and symbols, like what all the symbols are presented, remove the symbols, and remaining things you can able to display, like that we are going to say. Okay, see 1 2 3 4 8 we are able to display. Okay, and there is a one more last final thing, that is a replace. In a string method we have one more method called a replace. What replace can able to do, in case if you have something string, that string you want to display, like you want to replace that particular string, you don't want that particular string, like let str equal to JavaScript. Okay, this is your script is presented. Okay, but I you don't want for yes. Okay, you don't want for yes in a string place. Okay, but how you can able to, and you can able to replace that particular string. Okay, by using that space you can able to replace by using space, or some you can able to use for some value, anything you can able to provide. Okay, but the replace is the one, it will take for two parameters, one is old and another one is new. Okay. Long str2 dot replace. Now you can see it will ask you for two things. One is yes, I'm going to specify comma, and I'm going to specify for space. Okay, now if I make this one in the JavaScript, we cannot see for yes, we can able to see for space, you can able to see here as well. Okay, like this we can able to do it. Okay, and a similar format we have numbers also. Okay, numbers also one more thing is presented. This is also one kind of primitive data type. Okay, the string how it is presented, similar format, numbers also, but number it will allow for integer, float and decimals. Both the two cases it will provide you. How we can able to create for number now. Okay, number demo.js. Okay, in the number also we can able to create a where or let, anything you can able to tell let also. Let is a nowadays is a more now using number equal to a new number, and you can able to specify 100. Okay, this is the number creation. Okay, then how we can able to get the number. Okay, previous in the string we are used for directly to display the string, right? Whether it will display the exactly what exactly we are going to display. So now I'm saving now. See, number become a 10. It is shown that in the braces number colon 100, number colon 100. Okay, I have one more method called value of. Value of, this is the function. It will convert you that all the multiple arguments can be passed with the first used in the parameter. Okay, now if I do that, now see directly number itself it is displayed. Okay, number itself it is not shown. Compare the two values. Previous number colon 100 that is displayed in the square braces. If I use the value of, automatically it is showed for number itself. Okay, and we have one more thing, a two string also. Two string also we can able to display. Two strings also, uh, two string also it will create. We can able to uh, read the value by the string format. String format we can able to read. See here, two string. Okay, if I in the two strings you can able to run it. See now the string format it is displayed. String format only, but it is a now white color. Here is 100 is a yellow color and white color. After you, if I use for string format, then it is provided for normal way. In a two string also you can able to provide for some parameter two times. You want for two times of thing. You can see now if I use for two now, I use for two number dot two string two I used. How it will display? See, it is converted as a decimal format. Decimal format of value conversion. Okay, this completely on different approach it will come. Okay, to fixed also one method it will presented, and we can able to provide some decimal format of value. By providing that we can able to get some uh, reflected values also. Okay, if you use for decimal format of values and is fixed, sorry, two fixed also it will provide you for the same format of decimal format. It will not provide for any other format of things. Binary format and all it will not provide. Let distance equal to 15.009 is the my float value. Okay, and I want to use for console.log and here we can able to use for design dot to fixed and I'm going to specify for how many decimals you want, only two. Now 3 is there. If I want to use for two decimal point of values, it will display. See, 1 minute. Sorry. Now we can see, right, two decimal point of view. It will two fixed it is provided. The similar format we have type of, right. There is starting time I explain you for type of value. What type of value it will present. Okay, and we can able to use console dot log, and I can able to use for type of yes. Okay, and this is a type of value it will identify. It's a number type of value it is presented. Okay, and if I create for another format of thing, okay, what we can able to say, let number object equal to new number, and this number I'm going to use for 15.009. Okay, 15.009. Okay, now console dot log, and I can able to use for type of number object. Okay, number object. Now you can see is the object type of things it is displayed. Okay, previous what happened, if I use this is the format, it is shown as a number. Now it is shown as a object. Now it is shown as a object because we created as a new keyword. With the new keyword we created and we stored the value and we assigning to here, and again we are going to get the type of, then it is giving for us that is a object type of value. Okay, previous it is a number type of value. When you create as a new, then it will treat as a object type of value. Okay, I hope it this entire information help for you. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.